Hi, dear friends. Today we learn different types of tanween. What is tanween? Tanween is usually translated as noonation. It is making an N sound at the end of the word. How to use tanween? Tanween is added to the end of Arabic nouns, adjectives, and adverbs. When we add tanween to a noun, the noun will become indefinite. Now we can learn about types of tanween. How many types of tanweens are there? Tanween fatih, tanween kasr, and tanween dham. Symbols of tanween. For tanween fatih, we write the symbol to fatih above the last letter of a noun. For tanween kasr, we write two kasra below the last letter of a noun. And for tanween dham, we write two dham above the last letter of a noun. Here we discuss the sound of tanween. For tanween fatah, the sound is an, an. For example, the word bite. If we are writing with tanween fatah, the tanween fatah is written above the letter ta, that is the last letter of the word. So we can read it baitan, baitan. The meaning is a house. Another example, kitaban, kitaban, a book. Kitaban means a book. So we can write the tanween fatah above the last letter of kitab, ba, kitaban, kitaban. For tanween kasr, the sound is in, in. For example, the word bait, we have written here with tanween kasr. Now we can read it baitin, baitin. Baitin means a house. Another example, the word kitabin, kitabin. Tanween kasr is written under ba. So we can read it kitabin. Kitabin means a book. The sound of tanween dham is un sound, un. For example, the word bait with tanween dham is read baitun, baitun. It means a house, a house. Another example for tanween dham is kitabun, kitabun. The word kitab, last letter, ba is having tanween dham. The pronunciation is kitabun. Kitabun meaning a book, a book. Some examples. ولدا بتنوين فتح ولد بتنوين كسر ولد with تنوين ضم.